Hello, good morning. Can I help you with something, sir? Can I help you with something?
No English.
Okay, you're blocking the walkway. You have to move over to the side. People are coming in and out. You can't stand at the gate.
No English.
You cannot stand here. You're blocking the walkway. Go to the side, sir. Thank you.
No English.
You need me to get somebody who speaks Spanish?
No Spanish.
So what do you speak? Because you got to move out the way. You got to move out the way. This way. I'm not going to ask you again. You got to move out the way.
Good. On my way.
Behind the barrier. I'm good. Go live. I don't know. I asked them to move from them to English. Now you understand. People record. You just can't. Get out of the walkway. Get out of the walkway. Get out of the walkway.
Auditor stands at a gate, intentionally gives no English, silent treatment. Officers insist he's blocking the walkway and demand he move, repeatedly. He calmly stays on the public side, records their commands, and refuses to engage beyond short replies.
Excuse me. Get out of the walkway. Get out of the walkway. He doesn't speak English.
¿Habla español?
No.
No.
But he's answering you in Spanish.
Spanish. ¿Qué es lo que necesita, señor?
No Spanish.
No Spanish? What can we help you with?
No English.
No English? No Spanish? What language you speak? You speak it to me in English right now, though. What can we help you with?
You cannot stand
If you want to
here.
film,
You gotta
just
go on the
film on that side. There's a public street, public sidewalk, but don't block this here. Just go on this side. Matter of fact, just go on this side right here. I know you understand English. What do you need help with?
I don't know what that means. Credit card? I can't give you my credit card.
What do you need help with? If you're doing it for the likes, you can do it over here. I know you understand that part. Stay on the sidewalk right here. This is not blocking the pathway here, obstructing no traffic here. You can stand here, it's public. You get the likes all you want. Public sidewalk, public, you can sit here. Se puede parar aquí si quiere. Esto es del público. Aquí está bloqueando. Okay? You can record all you want, do your Instagram, do everything you want, do it for the likes, do whatever, you know, but do it here. You just gotta reach a certain amount to get money from the TikTok. So you could just come over here. Now we can play this all day. At the end of the day, we see who wins.
Are you feeling okay today?
You all right?
Are you all right? Do you need medical?
Police officers tried different tactics, offering help, calling for Spanish, lecturing about likes and clicks, trying to provoke speech. Auditor points out he isn't obstructing access and repeatedly reminds them he's recording in public. Detective eventually identifies himself as Intel Battle.
Attention. Is there something we can help you with?
We're trying to help you, but you're not talking to us. You
Do you
okay?
need a sign language interpreter? Do you not speak? They're trying to help you. I don't know what this, like, I don't know what you're trying to ask or say. Are you okay?
All
Is
right.
there something we can help you with? As long as you're not blocking the walkway, you can stand on the sidewalk.
Yeah,
You
you
cannot
see it.
block this. This is a walkway for people to gain entrance. That's all I'm asking.
You can stay here all you want. Just don't block here. All right?
You guys respect yourselves?
Sorry?
You respect yourself?
We respect ourselves and respect everyone.
If you make a
So
promise,
we're
if you make a promise, do you keep it?
What happened?
If you make a promise, do you keep it?
I don't know how to go about that. There's a lot of
It's
promises
a yes
you
or no
can't keep,
question.
keep.
If you make a promise, do you keep it?
There's a lot of promises you can't keep. If you want to keep it 100,
If you make a promise, would you keep it?
All right, do you keep every promise?
Because you swore to protect my rights.
Okay, yeah, you can do it.
I have on camera a lady entering this without me blocking her. Right. I'm not blocking nobody's entrance or egress.
Okay.
As long as I'm not obstructing anything, I have a right to stand here.
Standing in the way.
But you couldn't help yourself, though.
All right, you can stay there.
Obviously, I don't want to talk to you. Obviously, I'm taking pictures.
Right,
So
yeah, you can
protect
take what
me.
you want. You can
So
take what you
protect
want.
me.
Yeah, you can take what you
Stop trying to exert authority that you don't have. There's no crime. So go back to work. Go 1098.
There's
Let me
no
get your
crime,
card
right?
since your body camera's on. And identify yourself, suit. Identify yourself.
You're right.
Tuck that ego away and go back to work. I need your card since your body camera's on. Your body camera's on. And I need you to identify yourself. I need you, I'm conducting business. I'm trying to get your business card. I want you to identify yourself to me. You made contact. Who are you?
Why am I? You're blocking the street.
You made contact with me, sir. Who are you?
I'm Detective Battle.
From what command?
I don't have a command.
You have a badge number?
From Intel.
How do you spell your last name? You said it real fast.
Battle.
Detective Battle.
Yes, you can.
Officer struggles to justify demands. The auditor points out the lack of crime and records the exit of a pedestrian, proving no obstruction. Interaction ends with the auditor calling out ego-driven policing and a reminder, know your rights and always record public encounters.
Stand on the sidewalk. It's public.
As long as I don't block this, people are entering and exit. All right then. So stop trying to tell me to stand on the sidewalk.
I'm explaining to you. I'm telling you, you're right.
I'm where I'm allowed to be.
You're right. You're right. Just don't
So
block the
déjame quieto.
pedestrians.
Thank you.
Okay.
Protect my rights. I'm recording in public. I'm recording. I'm recording in public. Watch this gentleman on camera exit freely. Watch him exit freely. Look at that. I didn't block nobody. The whole time I was standing here, I didn't block nobody.
Okay, so everything's good, right?
Detective Battle from where? What's your command? You don't have a command?
Intel.
Intel,
Okay.
thank you. I need her car. She's breaking the law.
You're allowed to film.
Of course I am. If she doesn't identify herself, if she doesn't give me her car, she's breaking the law.
All right, sir.
You're law enforcement. Thank you. That's what I thought.
All right, just as long as everything's good, right?
I was chilling here quietly. Obviously, I didn't want to talk. That's why I said I don't speak English. But then here you come with the likes and the views. You got to show your ego and disdain.
I'm not showing ego.
That's disdain.
Because we're trying to talk
That's
to you,
disdain.
you're not
I don't have to
talking
talk to you ever.
Okay.
I never have to speak to you.
Okay.
As long as I'm not committing a crime, I'm good.
Exactly. Nobody said you committed.
Right.
You're
So
not
all
detained,
the
you're
you're
not-
doing this for likes and clicks and views.
You're
If
not
you
doing-
think
a
that
lot
I'm
of
doing it
people
for
do
clicks
that. A
and
lot of people
views,
do that.
why stand in front of my camera?
All right, sir. Obviously, there was no altercation.
Why not look good? Why not look good on camera?
I think-
Hide your this. No, all that giving your opinion in uniform. You're not supposed to give opinion in uniform.
Blocking the sidewalk.
I was blocking anything. Everything's on camera. Hide your disdain. Keep your opinion to yourself. See you later, Smith.
This shows perfectly how most police officers behave when they think that we the people don't know our rights. They start giving directives and making unlawful demands like they can make up laws as they go. This is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
This clip is a textbook example of what happens when an auditor uses silence and documentation as a strategy. The interaction quickly reveals whether officers have a lawful basis for their demands or are acting on posture and ego. A few concise takeaways that are easy to remember and actually help you stay safe and effective on camera. First, location matters. The auditor intentionally stays on the public side of the barrier and highlights that people can freely enter and exit. If you're in a genuinely public place, sidewalks, parks, streets, you have a presumptive right to record. Officers may claim obstruction, but obstruction requires that you actually block passage. Keep your body and equipment so people can pass easily, and let your camera prove the point. Capture a pedestrian walking through while you stand. Second, use silence and short scripts strategically. The no English tactic forces the officer to explain their lawful authority in concrete terms. If you prefer not to answer, keep your responses to short, repeatable lines. Am I being detained? Am I free to leave? I'm recording in public. These force clear answers and reduce the risk of getting drawn into heated argument. Long lectures invite interruption and escalation. Third, document identity and command information immediately. When the detective finally says battle intel, the auditor records it. If an officer refuses to give a command or badge, note time, location, and anything visible: car numbers, patch, vehicle. That metadata makes complaints and oversight effective. Ask for a business card or badge number on camera. If denied, keep recording and log the refusal. Fourth, de-escalation is not surrender. Be calm, firm, and non-confrontational. This video shows officers reacting to perceived disrespect. Staying composed both protects you legally and strengthens your credibility later. If the officer becomes aggressive or makes unlawful demands, keep distance, back up your device, and prioritize safety. Finally, turn footage into action. Raw clips are a start, but file complaints, send copies to oversight groups, and archive footage safely off your device. Visibility creates accountability, but only if you follow up. Short script to practice. Am I being detained? Am I free to leave? I am recording in public. I do not consent to searches. Say it calmly. Film everything, and let the camera do the talking.